Good morning, class. How are you today? Are you all good? Okay, that's good. So, before we proceed, I want you to know my rules inside the classroom, which is stand guard. So, G for give respect always. O for obey instructions promptly. D for do your best in everything. So before we proceed to our new lesson, let's have a short review of what we have discussed in last meeting. Who would like to share what we tackled last meeting? Anyone? Yes, Carlo. Please stand up. Okay, that's good. I'm glad you really learned in our past discussion. At this point, I'm going to give you a green and yellow paper. I will read the statement and you will identify if the sentence are correctly constructed or not. If the sentence are wrong, you will correct them. Is that clear? Okay, let's start. First sentence. Several viewers found the movie boring. That's right. Next. Everybody dreams to travel around the world. Okay, very good. Today, we are going to identify the rule and subject verbs agreements. Appreciate the importance of subject verbs agreements in a meaningful communication. So now, I will show some flashcards that with sentences that incorrect, and I will call a student to make sentence correct. Is, is that clear, class? Okay, let's start. First is, nobody know the real me. Eliza, make it correct. Correct. Next. Mathematics are very hard subject for me. Samantha, can you make it right? Very good. Correct. Let's now begin to our next activity. Fill in the blank. So number one, the list of items blank on the table. Yes, correct. Number two, my friends blank coming overnight. Very good. Each of, each of the student blank responsible for homework. Anyone? Yes, very good. The dog or the cats blank making noise. Yes, correct. Neither the teachers nor the students blank prepared for a storm. Yes, yes, correct. So I'm going to divide the class into two groups for conversational dialogue. Every group will be given situation and you will create a script. Is it clear? Very good. Let's start now. So, did anyone observe the application of the subject verb agreements? Good job, everyone. So now, I will give you an activity that you may pass tomorrow.